YouTube has royally messed up. Like bad. Now, I'm not saying that YouTube's gonna die or anything, but they took away a huge feature from content creators like myself. And I'm here to talk about it. I'm here to yap about it. It's just like, all right, so the main feature that we're talking about is like clipping. When you go and you're live streaming on Twitch, not Twitch. I was talking about YouTube though. When you're live streaming on YouTube, you could click the three little dots and then you could clip up something that happened in the stream. And then from there, there's like a clip section on YouTube and you can pull it up. I'm actually going to go do it right now. You won't be able to see it anymore because they took it away. But let me just pull up my YouTube, right? And go to one of my past live streams. But why did they take this feature away? I don't know. I don't know why they did it. It makes no sense to me at all. Right? Those view stats. When you're on YouTube, this is a past live stream. You could go down here, and in here, when you're live, you can hit clip. And you could clip up a feature, and then from there, people can watch those specific clips from, the stream. You can also go to a person's just clips in general. Give me a second. Let me go do that. Whatever the case may be. You used to be able to clip these things, and then from there, you could go in and show, hey, I made a clip here, and you can even go look at people's clips. Let me pull it up on my phone just so you guys can see. So like on YouTube, the YouTube app, you go to it. Is it even in here? Okay, yeah. So when you go to the YouTube app, there's a playlist. If you hit like your icon, right, you can hit clips. And when you do that, you can have, like, you can look at all the clips, and then let's just say I click on one of them, right? And that's a and it goes directly to the clip. They took it away from, like, just took it away. It's like, what are you doing? I don't know why. It makes no sense. Now, even if I try to, like, let's just say I tried to put a timestamp and I'm live and you go to the live chat and you put in a timestamp of like, all right, clip this. It doesn't work as a timestamp. Like, because it's in live chat replay, it doesn't work. You have to go in after your stream's made into a video or a VOD. Then from there, you have to re-clip it. And it's like, that's just so much work. I do everything myself. I edit all my own clips. I do everything myself. So taking away this feature just makes me aggravated. I have to do 10 times more work. I have to almost like write down the, what's it called? Write down the timestamp myself, like on a notepad. Then when the stream ends, go in, load up to that spot, screen record it, make the fucking clip. Now, I'm not trying to complain and say this is too hard or what have you, but it's just, why would you take it away? It was already here. It was helping a lot of good creators, such as myself, be able to make content, make short videos, make YouTube shorts easier because you could just go to the clip and you don't have to scroll through everything and find it. And they didn't even give us a good solution like the timestamps. That doesn't work. Why? Like, it doesn't work from live stream. So if we're live, like I said before, if you're live, you type in a timestamp while you're live, it doesn't go through. Like, you'd have to do it when the stream is ended, and that doesn't make sense. That defeats the purpose of everything that we're going for. Let me show you guys an example of this, okay? Boom. This is one of my past streams. All right. Bada bing, bada boom. It is what it is. I type right here. I'll highlight it if I can. Yeah, there. Highlighted right there. 4639. I love some WWE. Got killed by a trap. I can't click that. Like, it doesn't even work as a timestamp. They just took away the feature and didn't give us anything in return. Like, why? This makes no sense to me. No sense at all. Why would you do that, YouTube? Like, what? It just baffles my mind. It really does. And now we find the real culprit. All right, let me turn off my webcam so you can read this with me. YouTube has removed the dedicated clip feature the scissors icon as of late April 2026, shifting focus towards AI automated highlights, creator-driven shorts, and encouraging users to use time-stamped links instead. I wish I could timestamp link, but I can't because when I use the timestamp, it doesn't pop up. That wow. Right there, right? Great there. Another thing AI is just ruining. It's like AI automated highlights. The AI highlights suck. They what? They suck. They suck. It just makes no sense. It makes no sense at all. I'm about to go. Let's check out a Reddit post. Hold on. All right, we're on Reddit, and people are saying that they're replacing it with the share at timestamp option. I've never seen a share at timestamp option. Let's try it. Share, start at. Okay, so you'd have to do it at a start at 114, like a share at timestamp option. Yes, that will help with like viewer engagement of streams, but it doesn't work while you're live. It just doesn't work while you're live. It really doesn't. Man, this sucks. I would rely on my viewers to clip good parts of my streams. RIP. Tanner, I'm right there with you, my man. I'm right there with you, dog. Like, we're cooked. YouTube has added some half-finished features. The clip function would have been great if you could find clips easily. I wish you could download clips. Yeah, yada, 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 yada. But dude, seriously, why would they take this away? What are your guys' thoughts on this? I don't understand why you would take it away from viewers that are streaming on, or streamers or content creators like myself who are streaming on YouTube. I get it, they want to use the share as timestamp option, but they haven't updated the share as timestamp option. Like, I can't do that when I'm live. You just can't. And then I'd have to like write it down, go back, make the clip. What? No, that doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense at all. I don't know why YouTube would do this. If you guys are, if you guys are dealing with this, I'm going to look up a way to make better clips and figure out a way to make good clips. I'm not using no AI software for clips. AI is good for certain things, but making clips is not it. It's just not. It's terrible at making clips. It's terrible at reading like what's going on. Like, yeah, it can, if you give it keywords and whenever you say this specific word, it'll clip it up and say, hey, it's here at this time. But that's not how clips work on streams. Like, there's a lot of context that the AI can't understand, such as commenting or viewers commenting and then someone saying something like, hey, watch out for the trap. And then 2 seconds later, you run into the trap. Boom. That's funny. Clip it. But you can't do that. Like, if you type in trap, anytime you say trap in the AI or in the stream, the AI will clip every single one, and it'll be like 15 different clips, and you got to go look for the clip that you want. And sometimes it's not even the one that you wanted, because it's only when the streamer, myself, says trap, and if the chat says, hey, watch out for the trap, and I don't say nothing and I die and I just react to it, it's not going to pick up the clip. It's just not. So I'm going to find a way for all of us to find, get some good clips out. I really am. I'm going to have to. If you guys are looking forward to that video, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below if this is a bad, it's bad. Don't even say if it's good or not. This is a bad feature takeaway from YouTube. YouTube, what are you doing? Genuinely, what are you doing? That's going to wrap up the video. I just wanted to rant and talk about why would you do this, YouTube? Why? It hurts my soul. It makes content creators have to work even more. Like, you had the feature there and it was doing great. Why would you just take it away? It makes no sense. And when you take it away, you didn't give us a better option to share things from our content. I get it. You could do the share as, timestamp start here button, but it doesn't work while you're live. And timestamps from the live chat replay don't work. So make those things work. If you're going to take away our clip feature, at least make those things work so that we kind of have an actual work a way around. But now we don't. Now, the only thing I could think of is writing the timestamp down, and then when your stream ends, you could share it that way. And who wants to click a link to go watch? Like, imagine I send you a clip or like a TikTok, and it's like, oh, check out this funny moment from this guy's stream. And it's a 30-second TikTok clip or a 30-second YouTube clip, right? You know to watch those 30 seconds. But imagine I send you a link that takes you 2 hours into a 5-hour stream. I'm like, watch this funny part of this stream. Like, yes, I get it. You're going to start from that point, but they're going to be like, well, what was the funny part? I'm 2 hours in. Was that a glitch? I don't know. It's just too much. I don't know. YouTube, get right, bruh. Lock in. Lock in, bruh. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until the next one, y'all get 1% better every single day, minute by minute, moment by moment. It's been your boy Pat Thumbz. I love you more. I'm out.